After 5 years on the market, the Tesla Model Y SUV is a familiar sight on American roads with a roomy cabin and a good driving range. It shares its foundation with the Tesla Model 3 sedan, but the fastback SUV has more cargo space and an optional third row of seats. A 2025 styling update is anticipated to make the Model Y a more enjoyable vehicle for both drivers and passengers. Interior upgrades should also help the Model Y catch up to other similarly priced electric crossovers like the Ford Mustang Mach-E, Hyundai Ioniq 5, and Volkswagen ID.4. Like other Teslas, the Model Y's quirky, touchscreen-based interface will appeal to some drivers and annoy others. The most well-liked SUV from Tesla has been given a 2025 style upgrade to match that of its platform mate, the Model 3 sedan, which was modified for the 2024 model year. The Model Y's headlamps have been replaced, and a full-width light bar runs the length of the front end. Similar to the Model 3, the 2025 Model Y has also been updated inside with newer materials, improved sound deadening, ventilated front seats, a rear seat passenger display, and more. The Model Y's interior is mainly button-free and depends on a sizable touchscreen display situated in the middle of an uncluttered dashboard. It lacks the intricate falcon wing doors found on the larger Model X SUV. The interior has an airy atmosphere because to its substantially tinted, all-glass canopy. There is an optional third row of seats, however this little two-passenger arrangement is not very useful because adult-sized passengers cannot fit properly in the two seats. Almost all of the Model Y's features, including the speedometer and climate settings, must be accessed through the huge, thin infotainment display located in the center of the dashboard. The Model Y has the same entertainment features as the Model 3, such as video games and built-in Netflix, Hulu, and YouTube apps. These are ideal for passing the time while the battery charges at the public charging station. The design changes make the Model Y more aerodynamic, increasing driving range ratings from 11 to 18 kilometers, while the upgraded version has improved performance. Better cornering grip, more accurate steering, and a more flexible ride are all promised by a retuned suspension. According to European WLTP testing, the RWD's rated driving range is 466 kilometers, powered by a single rear electric motor and a battery pack that holds about 60 kilowatt-hours. Australia's acceleration time from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour was decreased from 6.9 to 5.9 seconds, matching China's pre-update versions. Long-range AWD vehicles have a 551 km driving range rating, up from 533 km previously, thanks to two motors and a battery that is around 79 kWh in size. The Launch Series comes included with an acceleration boost software update that reduces the 0 to 100 km per hour time to 4.3 seconds, which is the same as the previous model. The 0 to 100 km per hour time would probably be 5.0 seconds without it. The Launch Series package includes a badge on the tailgate, branding on the center console and sill plates, puddle light projection, and 20-inch wheels in addition to the performance boost and premium paint. In addition to having a black inside instead of the $1,500 black and white option, the dashboard of the black interior variant has black suede trim instead of light gray fabric. Power folding and reclining rear seats, dual-zone climate control, ambient interior lighting, matrix LED headlights, a 15.4-inch touchscreen, and heated and ventilated front seats are all standard on all-new Model YS. The standard safety features of Tesla's basic autopilot include adaptive cruise control, lane keep and lane centering assistance, blind spot monitoring, which now has lights in addition to screen warnings, and rear cross-traffic alert. Along with the side and rear parking cameras that are previously available, as well as camera-based parking distance alerts, the revised Model Y also has a front-view camera for use when parking and to support the safety systems. Launch Series Long-Range AWD starts at $73,400 plus on roads, up $3,500 from the previous RWD, $69,900, while Launch Series RWD starts at $63,400 plus on roads, up $7,500 from the previous RWD, $55,900. These mark the first price increases for the Tesla Model Y in nearly 2 years, since May 2023, and come after price reductions of up to $9,500 in 2024. Prices are anticipated to decrease when the Launch Series models are sold because the limited editions come with wider 20-inch wheels and premium paint as standard, which cost up to $2,600 and $2,400, respectively, more than the previous Model Y.